proudly present to you the DIY candidate profile on TRAFFIT. DIY means do it yourself, because in TRAFFIT you can build the candidate profile you really need. Here's how to do it. Decide how do you want your candidate profiles to look like in the system. Choose what data you want to collect. There are a few system fields that are always available, like first name, last name, email address, and phone number. What you can do here is adding any custom fields you like. No limits and no strings attached. These can be text fields, date fields, links, or single and multiple choice fields. I decided I want to collect the following information. Knowledge of CRMs, a multiple choice field, because I often search for talents for my sales department. Start date of current job, because I want to know the candidate's seniority in their current position and their notice period. Language skills level. This is important for me because we work in English. Driving license, because account managers sometimes need to visit their clients, so I need to know if my candidates have a driving license. Voila! This is my candidate profile in TRAFFIT. I can edit it and add new fields anytime. I have already created my perfect candidate profile in TRAFFIT, and I'm gathering the exact information I need. Now I will show you how this affects the application forms, which are also DIY. Let's assume I'm looking for a salesperson. I'm creating the application form, choosing which fields from the candidate profile I want to ask about in the application form. I'll start with the standard ones: first name, last name, email, and phone number. Now I can enrich my application form with some custom fields. I can choose from all the variety of fields available in my candidate profile. I decided to ask for the knowledge of CRMs, it's a multiple choice field, and starting date of current job. The second field will be a non-required field, so that those who are currently actively looking for work do not feel excluded. Now, let's say I'm starting a second recruitment for customer success team. I'll start with some default fields again, like first name, last name, email, and phone number. I will enrich this one with a question about language skills. This is a drop-down one-choice list. The options selected by the candidate in the application form will be saved on the profile after the application. Automated emails sent from TRAFFIT can be truly personalized. What exactly can you personalize? All the data available in your candidate profile. You can use all the fields from your candidate profile as variables in your email templates. These are the fields from your candidate profile. You can use them in this template for both manual emails and automated communication. So let's say I'm creating an email template where I'm thanking the candidate for delivering the recruitment task. I'm starting with "Hi," and here I put the candidate's name. Thank you for submitting the recruitment task. We need more than 2 working days to review it. You'll be contacted at phone number to determine the next steps. Each of your templates can retrieve any variables from the candidate profile. You have to admit that this is quite an improvement and time saver. Your talent pool is a real treasure. When deciding what fields you put on the candidates' profiles, you're also determining by what parameters you can filter it and what columns you can put on the list. I decided that at this moment I want to have the following columns and filters in my talent pool: email address, CRMs used, and current job start date. Now I can filter the candidates in my talent pool according to these criteria. For example, I can see a list of candidates who have an experience in working with LifeSpace CRM. Finding real talents in my database is much easier with that. You can also filter your talent pool however you like. All you need is a DIY candidate profile in TRAFFIT.